Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a set 2 of the car series cars, and this particular set I really like so much, so I'm just going to unbox it today. And this is, I like I told you, I bought 7 of it. We unboxed 4 yesterday, and this being the last 3. So let me just start from this. So this one is Aaron Clocker. So let's open this one and see how this one looks. Okay, here it is. So the first impressions of this car, it looks really nice. The paint job looks really nice. It actually looks really cool for the size. So the mouth is actually embossed, but it is not too embossed. It is subtle, and rest of the things are just painted on it. As you can see here. So the body is metal and the chassis is plastic. So this exhaust details and everything is just painted on. So the wheels are actually plastic and the spoke details are actually painted on it. So this part here, the spoiler here, which is plastic, that is not metal. Okay, let's open the second one. So this one is Ramon, Florida, and let's open this one. Okay, so I think this one is a Cadillac Escalade if I'm not wrong. So I don't remember it right now. If you guys remember, just drop me in the comments. This one looks really cool, so I bought this one. Low and slow. Okay, this looks really cool. I personally like this one. So again, this entire thing is made of body is made of metal, and there are no windshields or anything. Everything is just painted on it. The mouth is embossed a little bit. You can see here the bottom. It does have some paint irregularities. There is some paint bubbling here. So you can see the pinstriping looks really good. The rims looks really nice. This one has a different rims compared to every other car which we opened so far. Okay, let's just keep this aside and open the last but not least, our hero Lightning McQueen, and this is a Dinoco version. And let's open it. Okay, so here it is. So the paint job looks really cool because it is chromed out actually, like the Spectra Flame paint job by Hot Wheels, they normally do. It is that kind of paint job, and the mouth details is really nice. It is embossed on it. I'm not sure if it is a paint defect or something here. It looks really nice. So the rims looks really cool, and it actually has some exhaust details here instead of just painting it out. So the rest of the details just painted, the windshield and everything. The body is metal and the chassis is plastic. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick of all these cars. Let's start with this guy. Yeah, it rolls okay. Both wheels wobble a lot. Let's do this. This also actually has wheel wobble. Since it is very low, we are not able to see it really clearly on video. It rolls okay. It rolls okay, but it is not really good. Okay, let's do Lightning McQueen now. It literally wobbles a lot than literally all the 6 cars which we unboxed. Oh my god. Look at it. You can literally see the body wobbling left and right. It does that body roll. See? That is really funny. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.